Hello students, today we are going to start the first unit of Fundamentals of Computer. The title of unit 1 is Introduction to Computer System. Computer is a device that transforms data into meaningful information. Data can be anything, like it can be the marks obtained by a student in various subjects. It can also be the name, age, gender, weight, height, etc. of all the students in a class. Computer can also be defined in various functions. The functions can be accept data, store data, process data, retrieve the store data, and when they is required, print the result in desired format. These are the various operations or functions which the computer is going to process on the data. As shown in the figure, the input is given by the user to the process means to the system. The system will process that data, and the resultant of that processed data, that is the output, will be generated in the required format. The definition of computer is that a computer is a machine or device that performs processes, calculations and operation based on instructions provided by software or hardware program. It has the ability to accept the data as the input, process it means perform various operations or functions on that data, and then produce the outputs. Right? This data can be stored for further use in appropriate storage devices and retrieved whenever it is necessary. Charles Babbage is called the father of the computer. The first mechanical computer designed by Charles Babbage was called the analytical engine. It was used only for read-only memory in the form of punch cards. Various advantages of computer. First is high speed. Computer is a very fast device. It is capable of performing various calculations of very large amount of data. The computer has units of speeds in microseconds, nanoseconds, and even the picoseconds. It can perform millions of calculations in very few seconds as compared to man, who will spend many months to perform the same task. Second is accuracy. In addition to being very fast, computers are very accurate in their work. The calculations, whatever are done by the computer, are 100% error free. Computers perform all jobs with 100% accuracy provided by the computer. Third is storage capacity. Memory is very important characteristics of computer. A computer has much more storage capacity than human beings. It can store large amount of data. It can store any type of data using images, videos, text, audio, etc. Fourth is diligence. Unlike human beings, a computer is free from monotony, tiredness, and lack of concentration. It can work continuously without any error, and it can perform repeated tasks with the same speed and accuracy. Fifth is versatility. A computer is a very versatile machine. A computer is very flexible in performing the jobs to be done. The machine can be used to solve the problems related to various fields. At one instance, it may be solving a complex scientific problems, and the very next moment it may be playing a card game. Next is reliability. A computer is a reliable machine. Modern electronic computers have long lives, and computers are designed to make maintenance easy. Last is automation. Computer is an automatic machine. Automation is the ability to perform a given task automatically. Once the computer receives a program, that is, the program is stored in the computer memory. Then the program and the instruction can control the program execution without human interaction. These are the various advantages of the computer. Disadvantages of computer. First is no IQ. A computer is a machine that has no intelligence to perform any task. Each instructions have to be given to the computer by the human being. A computer cannot take any decision on its own. Next is dependency. It functions as per the user instructions, thus it is fully dependent on humans. Next is environment. The operating environment of the computer should be dust-free and suitable. Next is no feelings. Computers have no feelings or any emotions like human beings. It cannot make any judgment based on feeling, taste, experience and knowledge, unlike humans. Next is health risk. Prolonged or improper computer use can lead to disorders of the hand, wrist, elbow, eye, neck and back. Violation of privacy. Nearly every life event is stored in a computer somewhere, like in medical records, credit reports, tax records, etc. In many instances where personal and confidential records were not protected properly, individuals have found their privacy violated and identities stolen. And last one is impact on employees. Although computers have improved productivity in many ways and created an entire industry with hundreds of thousands of new jobs, the skill of millions of employees have been replaced by computers. These are the various disadvantages of the computer. Next is computer applications. First is business. A computer has high speed of calculation, diligence, accuracy, reliability or versatility, which has made it an integrated part in all business organizations. Computer is used in business organizations for payroll calculation, budgeting, sales analysis, financial forecasting, managing employee database, maintenance of stocks, etc. Second is banking. Today, banking is almost totally dependent on computers. Like bankings provide the following facilities like online accounting facility, ATM machines, etc. Third is education. The computer helps in providing a lot of facilities in the education system. Like the students can study computer education is rapidly increasing. The graph of number of computer students. There are number of methods in which educational institutes can use a computer to educate the students. It is used to prepare a database about performance of a student and analysis is carried out on this basis. Fourth is advertising. With computers, advertising professionals create art and graphics, write and revise, copy and print and discriminate ads with the goal of selling more products. Home shopping. Home shopping has been made possible through the use of computerized catalogs that provide access to product information and permit direct entries of orders to be filled by the consumers. Next is healthcare. Computers have become an important part in hospitals, labs and dispensaries. They are being used in hospitals to keep the record of patients and medicines. It is also used in scanning and diagnosing different diseases like ECG, EEG, ultrasound and CT scan, etc. Next is engineering design. Computers are widely used for engineering purpose. One of the major area is CAD. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design, that provides creation and modification of images. Like it is used in structural design, industrial engineering, architectural engineering, etc. Next application is military. Computers are largely used in defense, modern tanks, missile weapons, etc. Military also employs computerized control systems. Some military areas where a computer has been used are like missile control, military communication, military operations and planning, smart weapons, etc. And last is communication. Communication is a way to convey a message, an idea, a picture or a speech that is received and understood clearly and correctly by the person for whom it is meant. Some are the main areas where the communication is used, that is computers are used for communication, that are email, chatting, FTP, telnet, video conferencing, etc. Next is characteristics of computer. First is automation. An automatic machine works by itself without human interaction. Computer have automation power. That means computer can perform the task automatically by using programs. Second is speed. Computers are perform operations with high speed. The speed is measured in terms of instruction per second. All modern computers can process information at a speed of couple of million instruction per second. That is our MIPS. Next is accuracy. Computers are highly accurate in its operations. They either give correct answer or do not answer at all. Errors can occur in computer, but these are mainly due to the human rather than technology weaknesses. Reliability. It is the ability of a computer to perform the same job exactly in the same way in number of times. Versatility. A computer is capable of performing almost any task provided that the task can be reduced to a series of logical steps. Integrity. It is the ability of a computer to carry out a single sequence of instructions. No feelings. Computers are emotionless. They have no feeling because they are machines. Diligence. A computer is free from monotony, tiredness, lack of concentration, etc. It can work for hours without carrying any errors. And last one is power of remembering. Computer can store and recall any amount of information because its storage capacity. Thank you.